Tu n'as pas de problème, Nongela Kai, le Babylone. J'attends tes commatines, tout ça. Moi, je suis money tout le moment à votre popi. Na tu popilwe pastori yetu lomgele na kucha na julule kona recording kucha ningi ngai pitushmonene na momesho yetu shetulu dile 7 kucha yeno shirio pashatuli anovo
amondilon kalimo mo Babylona sa tulondirwa tuli anu mo Babylona so tunu problema ya anu hai kongele ka ko ta profeta ku pastori wabo kucha tu bali mo Babylona ame onganjiri ondalundiro shimasho ame mwene diladiro lango ndale kongele kaipate opo shimashi kashika happening kuba kwetu abina beshiningirwa botwala tubapuye betupuyelele nena kucho hashende nge onutali wayo tendeli ngasheli shiketala kuda.
Thank you, Cody.
Okay, actually we are here today to see this church or to close this church because of the misunderstanding and the people are fighting. We are not even yet understand that which certain spiritual of God is this. Because people in this church, after their service, and they are going to fight with their neighbor, apparently they are witching them. We don't know. How do you see the person witching you if you have a spirit of God? And we are not even sure as a councillor of the constituency that this man of the church, the owner of the church, is he aware that people, when he go to his house, he is aware that people are fighting in this area or not? He never even come to the office. He never even come to the community leader. Now, we don't know where we stand. For what purpose? If the Spirit of God unites people today, the Spirit of God divided people. He just only continuing and continuing and continuing like nothing happening. It means that these people, they are destroying people's life. They are destroying the nation of the Namibian nation.
So what will be the applicable solution to this?
Today we are thinking of to close his church. After we close the church, his management and the community leader with the councillor and the police, we see on the issue why we close the church. We see on the issue if he or them also, are they seeing also this problem in the community? If they are not seeing that problem in the community, totally we will relocate this, we will lock this church out of the location. Because you must care as a human being, you must care about other people's life. As a human being, you must know, if I'm saying this word to this one, how that person feel. If somebody saying that you are a witch, how do you feel if you never have that thing? The image, the people, how they are seeing you in that life, it means that you destroy that person's life. That person can cause a suicide. That person can cause to relocate himself or herself in that location. That person can cause even fighting, can cause even death. What certain spiritual do you have? That's why we mean that we close today, then we are going to talk. After we talk, with the result of coming out, where we will see that the church will proceed or will not proceed.
With regards to the prophet, is the prophet around?
The prophet is apparently, I called him after 10 minutes now or 20 minutes now. He said that I must wait him 30 minutes to come. Now you can imagine, on Tuesday, the police was arrested his member because of those certain accused cases. But he want to tell me that he's not aware that his member was being arrested? We are feeling, as a leader, I'm feeling pain. Why my members being arrested? Why are my members being accused? You understand? He bring confusing. People are not even stay together anymore. We don't want that. We want to stay in peace. But if you come to divided people, neighboring and family, you divided them, what certain spirit do you have? He totally can show that it's ignorance. He never even come to the office of the councillor or even to the community leader that what people are fighting here. He want to tell me that he never hear this. If he tell me that he never hear that, then he have got purpose here. Not to bring the spirit to the people, but to come and divide the people. That is honestly speaking.
Thank you very much, Councillor, for the interview.
Okay.
I'll keep in touch.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. My name is Pastor Shatiwa. Shatiwa? Yes.
Sorry. Okay, before you start. Shatiwa, and whether you publish one. Come that side, man, when you're not. Eshi to alapa. Dai kengele keshi hapa. Atu dike mankulu kutati. Vantaji mongele kamu. Bao kameshi ndane family davo. Tavi chopo. Shima shosha jane nasi.
That's Lucas. Lucas. Honorable Council
Okay. Yeah, that's the only time.
And you do that? You do that? But when the council call you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Paife, aipo bishwam.
Yeah.
Opokesho umaude. Shimeshi hapa.
Omawele linatka hala hapa. Kaleni nsisi.
Yeah.
Natalo mawele hapa.
Yeah.
Kaleni sisa kulunwa.
Yeah.
Ngo cancel haiko.
Yeah.
Okay. Edulane dida jako.
Yeah.
Vano avajike mongele kamunde tavi umbuike malaka. Nukumba mama nyame bashutowa kwa ongevaji mongele kamu.
Yeah.
Since last week, opone pake ane shima shimwene kandishingenge we shuda ilo no shuda.
Yeah.
Pake ane o fighting vanu tabalu.
Yeah.
Vanu vajamongele kwa mutavi kwa tepoma lutunowa kwa wanu ataiwa.
Yeah.
Vanu ava veno mepo yapuki.
Yeah.
Ava vapewo mepo yapuki muove.
Yeah.
Ndena tango taka uliko kwa kujatava liwa kwa shinda shavu.
Yeah.
Vamweta liwa ke family davu.
Yeah.
Ngole wash topolo.
Yeah.
Ndino ujuno shima shilinga.
Yeah.
Kapeno mepo yapuki pongala mwenye nu aitopolo nu.
Yeah.
Omepo yapuki aikwata kanifano nu. Oluka ndishike na kwa jene shiba ndalaka ndishi. Marangetwe mongele katosha kana naye. This is my brother. Oyo mepo yapuki atupopo. Mara omepo yapuki ne yongele kai. Katu you would take nande. Oluka ndalu shela tuma kana ike vanu tabe ithenge ike. A community leader kesho weekend. Vejike montumba wokuhokolola kucha. Ono mono ekulingepi. Ono mono ekulingepi. Ini mayafa hapo. Oshishi kume. Tamona kucha. Ashita populi monjila shi.
Aina ndipo sana tango.
Oshito popitoti. Kansela wo poike ndimono pe. Shashi. Kaunakona shano shwana. Kauno ujuno shwana. Oshonende ya nena mosonda ha. Ndala kupato ndinela laka nelo kupato ngele kainene. Oponave na metushive. Oponave na metulele shwana. Ame nandi ala kulele shwana. Shike amkala muno service iti tatu kandi shishame. Mara esha shulikele ngikuja amkala no service ameti tatu. Vanu ashitaba jomu. Meti tatu omopoi mwe ofiku. Tabadhenge ngodi vanu tabadhenge mamanya mo bashu yange anu andi bali. Tori pulane ngoni leji tokofa. Kujaike afiku vanu aba bomongele kamu bakapatela muko polisiava. Nandiko fanande nande. Mola shike shwana shange tashipatele modorongo. Ngeshi no mepo yapuki. Mola shike shwana shange tashilopote bakwao. Ngeve no shinda no family. Ndamona kucha ono ushiri ketuwete kaya. Ovengenge pamwe. We hapa nena lakana loku ito mepo yapuki. Seka tuiwete. Nena ongeleka taipati. Opoti yetu ke kutumbe. Opoti talo mepo yapuki we kucha. Ayeto ukwa ushiri ulipo. Muka chikoshi wana. Osho shayeta ngapa. Osho shayeta ngapa. Shashi. Honestly speaking, shito popi uli monjil. Nandengo kanselo wajiko. Kandishi kuchangenge umushika. Nongela nilo ngeli nyamaji ko human right. Ndongela olo maka human right taidengele ngeka ushishi ngaku chono kunemba pila ndati nakale nemba pila dai ke nemba pila se to ala ikombi. To ala iko fie vanu vetwa bakale venombi. Omalukanda yapo 1993. Since that year, ngenga nikolomboleshi neshi ofika mapa ngetotalo popo nongeleka iyo. Penengeleka dilimba. Ne kumanya nyinyi pe uliwete ni. Ongeleka. Ngetoi munyama mama ulisenda ongeleka. Mara never the one of the day uka ude kucha engeleka tati hokolo for vanu molota molot. Ovenenge ngomono ulodi. Tokalane kumboloye amekwenda halane madila dilo angoshi pelekina shiye pumboloye.
Umbolo polidi hapa.
Okay, ndea. Pelekina shiye pumboloye. Opo ukakalepo vanu na wajemo tobia sainyeko ba ukakwini. Itomona nge ujuka. Mara ngenge shilimo tobia sainyeko mu. Sito etapa kucha kume. Tandishi kucha ngenge obetoto benena. Ujo uwete ilo ka uwete. Mara kuse pesa na ipate kujanena cho further note. Opo benda huli lapo.
Kwa huli lapo.
Yeah.
Yalo. Ai nandi mkunda mushemet na Rais Christus. Ndakundo kansela wetu, ndakunda inspector. Amusho makundwa met na Rais. Andi pandura komito inda monai. Ya ondala ndi popseyo na me kombinga yange. Ongere kai.
Ndelo mbera kucha. Inatualo mawele pia kupopsa.
Ongere kai. Oyakara pe fimbo mosto koishi.
Efenye meeting ato.
Ya oyakara pe fimbo lile otbakara no kudifa. Eshi shepeta opportunity fe vangeri mosto proamu. Otwea to kupife mwenyo. Otwea petova nu popepena Christus. Otwea tu verura vata vere medna Rais Christus. Otwea tu longe eshi toifani no kulonga. Ya hapa nina ondara ndipopsena na kombinga inime ya epeninga omafiko achako. Ongon leri kansera ostoporo aishi. Okwari ena kuifana ngina ndo kombero ayae. De tapurange kucha nini meita inyengo po. Oyo shiri ilo ano what's happening pastor. So then I could just sit down on get on the caricon tumbanda and explain in my shit. Kansela ombinga ingi ne utana ndenani. Ombero ya ifanange, ombero ayo human right ndatu minomba pira. Ndeshitwa ya kombero ako ova pwikina na vane kwa iva dengwa na vadenga ave shoko vadi. Ndeshi wanu wakapwikina mombero muvakama unakucha ongereka keina moshi. Ovakama unakucha mbori edundakano olireke movandu pomo mbwavo taveta nupsaka jwavo kongereka. Ya no kujabo na vane kwa varopotange ombapira tini kombero human right elo ya dinya opodari no hongerapa obo be kudengera kuchambore mpaitau kena mosha moshimamu de ta dengere no kwa purification kuchoka dengera purification. This church shall not be closed. Oshitivari, if you want to close it, you must come with an order from the court. That's the thing that they say. Weekend ovanwo mshitoporoamu ame inandia ashke weekend cancel ndimani weekend ndimani manga na tu permito taleni ami nandia nditotongere kaisha shi vati andistrakere meumbo onda ifana kutate karungu onda yako skora onda studying of theology on I graduated. I know what I'm doing. You understand? Yeah. Listen.
That is the nonsense. We will close it now.
Listen to me.
We cannot keep on this sort of thing.
Please. Vai. Kalunga o quatura bova fita vai. O pova o difonjo vai kovano vai. Ovano valundruke bidirure bewe ponchiakano. Ameshi mangina tu patron grekai. I know what to do. We registered this church 15 years ago. And then everything is proper. So I wanted, you know, let's gather here. Even to me, Shimashi is not really the way. Number one, this is not a public ground. It's not a community hall. A meetings must be held at least a public ground or a committee hall, or a councillor must call me with my leadership to the office or to a place. This is a private property where people are doing what they are doing right now. Now, people of God, ovano vatate kalunga vamuri hapa, ondakara mwefimbu hapa. Nanando no mo community mo uda kuchon samano okwa miti kamo aprokati mo ngrekiro kwa nangara mo vanu kabino uda kuchon na denga po vanu. Listen, yeah,
don't mention those questions.
Yeah.
Amenda pula ndati ndekupula ndati eshisha yetanga hapa metitano last week ndekupengela ndekulomba ngai
ndinya mukure pulolo
puliki nandea shati vaji eshisha yetanga hapa ovanu voma lukanda letu tabatula modolongo molongele kai ametandu udombiji ndea tandu udombiji ovanu vaji mongeleka yashiri ndetaweke yule malaka kwinya bamutave ilo potande tabai modolongo
Yeah.
Amekwame ndio wote kucha watuma kanisa. Eshi shaitanga hapa.
Yeah.
That's why you say I could be call you. Can I call you how many times? Ove ngenge watela mendi kuthengele. Ove ka uno ujue shi wa udoshilyo sho yeshi limo dorongo. Uye ko mbele wa kanzila kutashikwa shike tashinyengo. Ka uno uju ngaonde uno uju ilikuwe kwifane ko mbele wa shasho ye no uju.
Ndikunyamkule.
Ndeya oshona shaitanga amekuja ndino uju lela. Nena ndeya ndino uju ongeleka na ipate setu yetu ke kutuma. Manga to twikila uye commission ongeleka
lilo to twikila manga cancel. Shashi this a public meeting.
It's not a public meeting.
It's public, it's not a
yes
public.
It can be public. Shashi ove ndapula ndati ujo uli maluka ndamwa uji mongeleka yo una nave ngenge una we ufara pen
ya kansela ovanu eshivi denga inavi dengera mongereka oveki dengera kui kuma mbwabo oroje olo shashi yapo moro nungwe bati boita stambwa denkwa teata yoro de tabi denge oroje ne okoro ilanjo shona na liringa kembero akui oshite vari ovanu tate kansela ndipose bengo mito
ndelombo la kucha
ya
pena nambero poliveri hapa kulangaza mo ipo kanepima nekoka pena kansela wenyo kanepima ne Dominico tangwele la wele la kuyampi mwe kubikina ngo mwe kungo meeting ako
ari rovanu amo fita ambe ko different de travail comme mbwavo I karapo mbwavo ndivakere kuchena ningashire.
That's why we are here today. Eshi no ikungolo ye anu tava ikuma mbwavo takalwa esha bahange mongeleka osho takanjane kucha ondoko nona ilo what is a good news? Good news ya ijimongeleka yo ye banu tava lune ko lukanda kwi.
I was just answering you kakwegenda mara kunyamukula. Ya tachova nunesita avec dengera comme mbwavo kwi. Ongo wiri kama wiri ko pamepo ovo onwiri ki wostokora ongo cancela. Awiri ki osetona ku consulting atete. Then atu popi nda tutare kucha inime atu solving ngaipi. National meeting ngairi hapa.
Tonyamukule pulo. Ndati vanu esha bakalata bidenge mu rukandamu
so nandi testa bidenge ne mu rukandamu ya
obe udite
nge no kudombinga yange kabno udombinga yange na tango eyo kororeruna uneki kororeruna
vanu abatemona vanu stabide obe ne udite nge vanu ko etabide baya ko dorongo
ongo fita ondino kudanai shasho vanu tabidenge se ya tu difevangeri lo vanu tabidenge oro direto Karis lombere ano honde watu lifemepo no bibero daiti esha daro komepo shomepo esha daro kombere shomberera oro diretu ya tulifovanu ava vehicle wifa vaninge buko ashka va valwa va responda shi watengo ondara ndipopso shimaishiringa kucha Namibia boshilongo shiri kashiwiri kwake kotamangoro shilongo eshi na tusheni oduriko shi kotamango openava tabeta po oveta openava tawani foveta law enforcement woka boka peno nuta droko eta pari oveta ipe ini maisha na ukara iri merandro afano ngashi nana shasha cancel nga I'm talking and also teaching people their rights and the law. Teach
people the law, you are a pastor.
Ano vena kushiba mufembavo.
Mufemba ndiku utite kume. Maresha etanga pa. Na tupatongele katu yetu kufemba no.
Kanishone kuchongele ko tuipata no papiri iripeni wajana kokota.
Kokota
tuneke. There must be a letter.
There is a case already, two cases. Odita patulova
na. Those are the case here, but a letter that will come from a court which are let's do this.
Community. Amen. Andi tingele kataipate tuyetu kutumbe nawe utukile nao.
Pastor Kansela.
Oshoshino kulonga.
Ongeleka obano verimo service ata inyonga mene kalunga. Yo tira kalunga.
Kalunga tira vanu tabitenge. Tira kalunga vanu tabitenge.
Ai, hey.
Water.
Yeah. Must close the church. Wamano ngereka ili pushinda hapo yo.
Yo ngereka tisho yo. Ni limeya ninga. Fish aishe. Yeah.
Ngereka ili melala kanola pena ngoko city.
Yeah, I know there are many people here.
Yeah, so that would happen that poteni na wanawa potu begine kuchongepi.
Yeah, I think
pamanga ondala ni dengere commissioner wange
ngomba
kujanda pigana hapa.
Yaro.
Yeah, paka kuchongepi. Nyang patu kuchama go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
I close the church.
Yeah.
Ne? Kasi kinda
Just do it, officer. That's your job.
Hii na system pop na cancel.